So my name is Kazi Anik Ahmed. My ID is 1N15460597. And right now, tonight, I'll be doing problem 3.36 for homework problem, homework 2. And so the question reads, if the input of x of n, so input x of n is given right there, to an LTI system is, right there, x of n is u of n, comma, the output is y of n equals half n minus 1, u of n plus 1. So the first one, we have to say, we have to find out h of z and z transform. So h of z, we can write x of n in terms of x of z, simply rewriting that as c of z minus 1 from z transform. We can set it equal to 0. We can see that ROC of z is just greater than 1. And similarly for y of n, we can rewrite that half of n minus 1 times u of n plus 1, and we can transform it and set that equal to 4 times half of n minus n plus 1 times u of n plus 1. See, now since I've written right here, since half of n u of n is equal, or rather they're similar, they're the same thing, equals to z divided by z minus 1/2, we can use the time shifting theorem to get this of y of z, from y of n to y of z, which is 4z from there, 4z, since that's been shifted left, n plus 1, so this becomes 4z times z of z divided by z minus 1/2, which is also equal to z and z multiplied, so 4z squared divided by z minus 1/2. So from here on, from the denominator, we can see the ROC of z just equals, greater than half, since y of n is causal. Now h of z is the y of z divided by x of z. So we can write that right here as 4z times z minus 1 divided by z minus 1/2. From there on, we can, just like the last problem, I've also mentioned it, since the ROC of y of z, which is ROC of y of z, must include the intersection of ROCs for h of z and x of z, we get that the ROC for h of z is z greater than half. From there. So there it goes, problem number, letter A, for solution to A. Now B, we have to find the impulse response h of n. So h of z is negative 4z divided by z minus 1/2 plus z times 4z divided by z minus 1/2. Now inverting this causally using time shifting theorem on the second terms, we get h of n from here to here. We get h of n negative 4 by itself, and this will become half to the power of n. Since I'm taking the negative outside, so I have to get minus in the end. Inside, so this becomes positive half n from z transform. We just z transforming this, plus 4 comes out, 4 times half to the power of n plus 1, because I have a z that's getting multiplied with this term, so this become n plus 1 times u of n plus 1. Now for C, we're asked if the system is stable. Yes, I've written right here, the system is stable because the ROC includes the unit circle, which is the main part here in order to make a system stable. And for D, it asks if the system is causal or not. But no, the system is not causal because h of negative 1 is not equal to 0 when you plot that. So h of negative 1 is not equal to 0. That means the system is not causal. So it depends on a future input, which also means the system is not causal. Thank you.